As the Omicron variant is continuing to surge across the county and here in Alabama, the need for COVID-19 rapid at-home testing kits obviously increasing with demand higher than supply. A question on how many sick people's minds is where can they get tested for the virus? WDHN's Alex Valdez is live in the newsroom with that answer. Good evening, Alex.
Mike, I visited many drugstores and pharmacies throughout the Circle City, and I was told at every single one I visited today that they were out of stock of all at-home COVID-19 test kits.
A lot of people have asked me, how can you tell if you've got a cold or if you've got COVID? And the bottom line is you really can't tell without having a test done. So that's why getting a test if you have symptoms is so important.
Medical experts stressing the importance of COVID-19 testing because with symptoms associated with the Omicron variant, it is hard to tell between the difference of having COVID-19 or the common cold.
It tends to be more like what we call a head cold more than a chest cold, more sneezing, congestion, runny nose.
These common cold-like symptoms mixed with a 36.4% positivity rate are all part of the reason why the need for at-home testing kits have skyrocketed. All CVS and Walgreens pharmacies in Dothan are completely sold out of the at-home testing kits. With the COVID-19 positivity rate being well over 30%, COVID at-home testing kits like these are becoming like gold. With almost every drugstore in the Wiregrass sold out of the testing kits, with no telling when they'll have some in stock. So what do you do if you have been exposed or feeling symptoms of the virus and need a COVID-19 test? Locally, the Houston County Health Department is scheduling appointments for COVID-19 testing.
Give you our number. You can just call us. The clerks up front will direct you to some parking spaces we have designated, and we'll come out and do the swab in the car.
And despite being sold out of all COVID-19 at-home testing kits, you could get tested for the coronavirus at both CVS and Walgreens pharmacies around the Wiregrass by calling or scheduling an appointment online. And as COVID cases increase here in the state, hospitals around Alabama are urging patients not to seek testing in emergency rooms unless they have severe symptoms. The CVSs that offer COVID-19 testing here in the Wiregrass have available appointments as early as tomorrow. And as for testing at Walgreens, the next available appointment they have is not until Thursday. And of course, as mentioned, the health department also does COVID-19 testing. Mike?